talk about an interactive map which is accessible on GitHub, and you can also use it for your own project. K-Monitor, an anti-corruption watchdog association, and Code for Hungary created this map together and used it in 2 different projects. In both cases, it helped to make data more accessible and inform Hungarian citizens where their money goes. Instead of searching through big Excel sheets, they can access all the records on the map. The first project is Hotel Oligarch, accessible at nerhotel.hu. The main idea was to make a list of hotels, restaurants which are owned or associated with politically exposed persons. With the map, Hungarian citizens are able to decide who they give their money to when going on a holiday or eating out in a restaurant. The map has a search function at the top for easier navigation, so if you want to check a certain restaurant or hotel on the map, it's very fast and easy. At the upper left corner, you can access the menu, where there's more information about the map and also a feedback option. So this is an ongoing project. We are continuously gathering and reviewing data. Visitors can submit new places, and after methodological check, it gets on the map. More than 200 new places were submitted since the start of the project. The second project is Eltették. It translates to They Took It. It was created to show the reality of hidden privatization. Hundreds of valuable public assets, including universities, museums, state farms, and real estate, were transferred from state to public trust foundations controlled by a selected group of people who may run them indefinitely without government supervision. In total, the government transferred for free assets worth billions of euros to these new foundations. And now let's see the map in action. So here is the Eltették map. What you can see is that there are more colors, and it means that we have a filter option here. So you can choose not to show any foundations, but maybe the first 2. And then you can click on a point and you get some basic information like the name, the owner, the board members, address, and the related article. And if you click on details, you can also put a photo in here and write more details about it. One more thing you can do is, if you show it all, and let's say you are interested in all these 4, but you don't want to click each one by one, on the right corner you can just list them all out, what you see on the map. And then you click on it and it gets you back to the map. We also added this menu function. Again, what is this all about? You can contact us. If you like it, you can support the project. And you can also get all the data in an Excel. So all the 1,500 points you can download and use that as well. Creating the second map was easier. We were able to use the core from the first and added the filter options and created a new design. A big thank you for all the volunteers you see on the screen helping out in these projects. And as we said in the beginning, the map is free to use. It's on GitHub on this domain. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, the easiest way to reach us is through our website.